Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to examine yet another ground for judicial review. The ground of judicial review that we are going to examine is known as the breach of principles of natural justice. So what are principles of natural justice? Simply put, these are ways of conduct that become apparent to man or become visible and conscious to man by the exercise of reason. So once man exercises his reasoning capacities, he is able to discern what is right and what is not right. So these principles are inherent in all human beings, based on the principle of reasoning. So natural justice is the administration, maintenance, provision, or observance of what is just, right, proper, correct, morally upright, merited, or deserved by the virtue of the inherent nature of a person, based on the inherent sense of right and wrong. We have to note that principles of natural justice are not necessarily explicitly written by the statutes. In fact, principles of natural justice are implied by the statutes. The mere fact that they are not written down does not mean that they are not applicable. It simply means that the law implies them, and acting contrary to those principles of natural justice results in a decision being rendered null and void. So we have to note that principles of natural justice apply even though they are not necessarily written down in statutes. So famous case law in principles of natural justice, it was case pitting Fairmount Investment Limited versus the Secretary of State. So in this case law, certain discoveries were made, or certain new thinking came about. So in this Kenyan case law states that principles apply as long as a public body has power to determine a question affecting a person's rights. In addition to question affecting people's rights, the principles apply to bodies in every case involving a question affecting a person's interest. So where there is a right, there is an interest, and not vice versa. So definitely that was principles of natural justice as a ground upon which judicial review can take place. So in case whereby principles of natural justice are not upheld, then the court will declare the decision or the action of a public body null and void. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.